Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mary Emmanuel. If today is first time you are coming Mary Emmanuel. If today is first time you are coming across to this channel, guys, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I talk about food, lifestyle, politics, vlog. I do most of everything on this channel. So if you want to be part of this family, please go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe, please click notification bell also, because it's very important that you click it so you won't miss any of my video. So guys, today's video I'll be sharing with you my most favorite African food. Yes, I'll be talking about all the food I love to eat, all the African food I love to eat. Yes, as an Igbo woman I am, a Biafran woman. Yes, guys, there is this particular food in our land that everybody knows about. Though you guys are watching Nigerian movie, right? Yes, I hope you guys will be hearing when they will be saying, I want to cook ofo onubu. I was starting from there. Though I list everything down because I don't want to miss any. Because you may have it up here, yes, but when you wanted to make the to make the video, you may even forget. You see, so that was why I brought everything down, so that I'll be looking at them and be pointing it out. So first of all, my favorite soup, I have to go for the soup first before I go for the other food. Okay, yes, you see, this one that we people are calling bitter leaf soup. In our own language we are calling it ofo onugbu. Yes, you see that bitter leaf soup, that ofo onugbu, guys, I love it so much. I love to eat bitter leaf soup. In fact, nsala soup, let me just call them out at the same time. Nsala soup, I love to eat that soup. You see vegetable soup, guys, my favorite. You see what is the name? You see oha soup. I don't know if you guys know about that, but any Igbo woman watching my video, any Biafran person watching my video, I know the person know what I'm talking about. You see oha soup, guys, I love it so much. I can't do without all this soup that I have called: vegetable soup, bitter leaf soup, nsala soup, oha soup. Oh God, you know that after calling all those soup now, I'm not going to eat lick only the soup. No, there is something that always come with it. We know that is fufu. Oh my God, I love to eat fufu like crazy. Like, in fact, like tomorrow no day, guys, I always love to eat fufu. In fact, I can eat it in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. I don't care. The way I love to eat that food, I don't care, guys. I don't know if anyone loved eating swallow like me, because for me, I love to eat swallow like crazy. If you like to eat swallow like me, please put it on the comment section. Let me know, okay? Because sometimes I thought maybe it's only me that always love to eat swallow, because I cannot do it without me. I cannot do it. I cannot. In fact, I cannot stay if I do not eat swallowing food. That is my favorite all the time. Okay, guys, another food that I like to eat again that I cannot do without. Yes, I love to eat yam. You guys may say, why am I eating all this strong food? Yeah, so because you know, the guys, we not brought up like that. We not brought up like that now. We brought up with all this food, all this fufu, you see. So I'm used to it. Me, I'm not be ajibo. I'm not be ajibo person at all. So I be pako for people that understood what I'm saying. I'm in fact pako lolo, no be ajibo, guys. So I love to eat yam. You see plantain porridge. I love to eat it also. Another one again, you see pepper soup. Hey, who else like to eat pepper soup? For me, pepper soup and the one that we call with agidi. Oh Jesus guys, in fact I will eat eat without not getting tired. Guys, another food I love to eat again, you see those banga soup. In our language we are calling it ofaku. That banga soup guys, it has been my favorite also. Hey, I love to eat banga soup like crazy with white rice. If I'm eating it like this, I will eat. See I'm making this video, I'm just sharing with you all the food I love to eat. So if you also love to eat any food that you love to eat, please just put it on the comment section. Me, I want to know also, because sometimes I thought it's only me that love all this food. I don't know if it's only me, but if you love to eat all this food I have mentioned, please put it on the comment section. I would like to read the comments so that let me know what you guys love to eat. Another food I love to eat again, I love to eat, yes, I have mentioned banga soup, right? Okay. Moi moi. Oh my God, oh Jesus, I love to eat moi moi so much. You see, moi moi guys, I love to eat it with anything, with like that, at any, in fact anything with, you can go around with moi moi, bring it, I'll eat it. I cannot do with it too. I love to eat moi moi, honestly. But you see those food, I will also mention those food I don't like to eat. Starting from, you see, spaghetti. I don't know why, if it's only me, I don't like to eat that spaghetti at all, at all. I don't like to eat it too, but also, though I'm cooking it too because my children love to eat it, but me, after cooking, I'll just carry my face throw away. Honestly, I don't like that food. You see this potato, no be, it's not this Irish potato, it's this, no, it's not sweet potato, sorry, it's this Irish potato. I don't love that. I cannot eat it. In fact, I can just go hunger from morning till night, no problem, if there is no any other food in the house, no problem. But you see that potato and that spaghetti, please don't bring it closer to me, because me, I'm not going to eat it. I don't love to eat that food at all. I don't know, do you guys love to eat spaghetti? Because sometimes I think it's only me, because I don't know why I don't like to eat that spaghetti. It's not even in fact, I cannot even taste it. Okay, another food I don't like to eat, guys, I don't like to eat in what they call it sef, what they call that thing. In fact, I have forgotten the name, because me, I have forgotten. Sorry. So I have forgotten the name because I don't put my mind. I have remember. You see that beans. Beans. I don't like to eat beans. I don't know why. Is it only me? But beans, I know that beans is very good to our body. I know it's protein, but hey, I don't know why I don't love to eat beans. I don't love to eat beans at all. But if you cook it with rice and beans, no problem, bring it, I'll eat. Yes, I'll eat. But for me to eat only beans, no. Who else again? Do you love to eat beans? If you love to eat, please put it on the comment section. Me, I want to know if you love to eat beans, because as for me, I don't love to eat beans at all. But if when you cook it with moi moi, as a moi moi, no problem, I can eat it. You see, yes, another food that I would say that I love or I don't love, maybe 50-50, jollof rice. I love to eat, I don't love to eat. That's why I don't normally cook it all the time, because it's 50-50. Sometimes I eat, sometimes I will not like to eat. You see guys, sometimes I eat, sometimes I will not like to eat. But you see those food I have mentioned, let me start afresh to mention this food. If you have not heard it before, let me start afresh to mention this food, because if you see all this soup that I have called, I cannot do without it. I cannot do without those soup or those food. You see that bitter leaf soup, I don't know how you guys are cooking it, but the way we are cooking it, we are cooking it, it will taste so good. In fact, every will be inside there. Gbogbo tiwo, every will be inside there. You see nsara soup. Oh, who don't know nsara soup? I don't know what people are calling. Maybe it's a white soup that you people are calling, because I'm not used to English. It's a white soup, right? Yes. Okay. You see that nsara soup, guys? That white soup, guys. Don't joke with me with that soup. Don't joke with me, because me and you will quarrel with that soup. You see vegetable soup. I love to eat vegetable. I love to eat vegetable like crazy, guys. You know, because our body needs vegetable. We need to always consuming enough vegetable. So if you are not yet eating enough vegetable, please always eat enough vegetable. Not only because it's very good to your body. Yes, I made a video, last month, last 2 months, concern importance of eating vegetable. In that video I mentioned a lot of things, how vegetable has been so beneficial to our health. You see, so I need to always you need to always consume enough vegetable. So you see that vegetable, I don't joke with it, because I love to eat vegetable always. I can even cook vegetable 3 times in a week. The way I love vegetable, guys, I can cook it 3 times in a week without not even getting tired, because I love to eat vegetable, honestly. You see that oha soup that I'm talking about, guys. You guys don't know. It's only Igbo people that know what I'm talking about. If you are Igbo here watching my video, please say hi. Let me know. Let me know you are here. Okay, guys? Because I know that Igbo people, they know what I'm talking about. You see that oha soup? Hey, oh my God! If you eat it with swallow, with apple cassava, hey, if you eat it, in fact, you after eating you go and sleep. You don't even wake up again. Oh my God! You see that those food that I have mentioned yet, guys, please don't joke with me on that with that too. So try just what we do for me is that, you see all this food, if you love to eat them too, or any other food that you love to eat which I've not mentioned here, or maybe from your own country, please put it on the comment section. Okay, guys, put it. In fact, put it there. I will always love to listen to all the comment that you guys are dropping. So guys, thank you so much, because I have come to the end of this video. I don't want it to be so long. I don't want this video to be so long. I have come to the end of the video. So please share this video out. I just say, let me come and share this with my friends out there. Let me come and share. So that is what I've already did. So guys, share this video out. Okay, guys, invite your friends. Anyway you share me out, I don't care. Any way you share me out, I don't care. All I want you to share the video out. I want to go viral. That is it. Because I'm building this YouTube this year. That is my target. I'm building this YouTube. So guys, share me out. Okay, subscribe. Have you subscribed? Subscribe. That subscription is free. You don't have to pay for it. When you subscribe, you click the notification bell. It's very important that you click it, because if you don't click it, anytime you upload a new video, you won't get notified. You won't even know that I put a new video on YouTube. So you see that is the reason why you need to click the notification bell. Click it so that you won't miss any of my video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, but I know you enjoy it, because there is no any reason that you give this video a thumbs down. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your family and friends, and have a wonderful day. And I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.